What if I told you that India just got another big step to connect its last village right till 2028? The Indian cabinet has extended Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana phase 3 till 2028. What does it actually mean for rural India? Let us talk about it today. So as you can see, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana phase 3 has been extended by the Union Cabinet till 2028. The earlier completion time of phase 3 was 2025, but it got extended for the 3 more years. So let us talk about this Yojana in detail. Why in news? The news is that Union Cabinet approved the extension of Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana till 2028 March. And earlier deadline for this was March 2025, which got extended till 3 more years till 2028. Now, here is about Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. So this Yojana was launched on 25th December year 2000, and this scheme, this Yojana comes under the Ministry of Rural Development, and it is a type of central sponsored scheme, not central sector scheme, because if we talk about the central sector scheme, then the implementation and funding both are done by the union, right, or the central government. But when we talk about the centrally sponsored scheme, then in this case the funding comes under the ratio of 60-40. 60 is given by the center and 40 is given by the state, and the implementation comes under the hand of the state government. So it is a centrally sponsored scheme, and the objective is to provide all weather road connectivity to the rural areas. Now, this Yojana, this scheme was continued in 3 different phases. So if we talk about the phases, then the first phase of this Yojana, this scheme, began in the year 2000. On 25th December 2000, the first phase was launched, and the duration for this phase was 12 years. So from 2000 till 2012, the first phase was conducted, or the first phase was implemented. The core objective of the first phase was connectivity. If I talk about the core objective of the first phase, then it was connectivity. It means connecting the rural villages with the proper road connectivity. Okay, connecting all the rural left out villages, or building proper road infrastructure in the rural areas of the country. Focus was providing all-weather road connectivity to the unconnected habitation, and target population was in the plains 500 plus population, and in the tribal areas 250 plus population. जहाँ इतने population minimum है, वहाँ पे हम uninhabited जो population या फिर unconnected habitation जो है, वहाँ पे हम road connectivity build करेंगे. Okay, and the key feature was new road construction, creation of the core network. Now the second phase, it began in the year 2013. If we talk about the second phase, then the main objective, like the first phase objective was connectivity, the second phase objective was consolidation or upgradation. Why am I talking about upgradation? It means that अपग्रेडेशन ऑफ द एग्जिस्टिंग रोड, जो रोड ऑलरेडी है उसको बेटर तरीके से उसको अपग्रेड करना. सो द सेकेंड फेज स्टार्टेड इन द ईयर 2013 till 2020. So if I talk about the second phase, then the duration of the second phase was 7 years, and the main objective was upgradation of the existing road. Phase 1 was strengthened in the phase 2. Now talking about the third phase. Third phase started in the year 2019. Okay, and the objective of the third phase was economic linkages. It had to, or it was supposed to end in 2025. मतलब अगर हम इसकी बात करें तो it was of 6 years. Third phase was of 6 years, but the union government has extended the deadline of the third phase till 2028. So now the third phase will be of how many years? 9 years. Okay, and the main objective of the third phase is again upgradation of the key rural routes for economic growth. If I talk about the economic growth, it means connecting the rural villages or rural areas to the मार्केट एरियाज, रूरल एरियाज को मार्केट एरिया से, मार्केट लिंकेजेस से कनेक्ट करने के लिए रोड का बिल्ड करना इज द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द थर्ड फेज. एंड अराउंड 1.2 lakh kilometer of roads are supposed to build here, and connectivity to the grams like Gramin agricultural market, higher secondary school, hospital, and the key feature is the focus on rural economic and logistics. Now coming on to the next. If we talk about the benefits, then we talked about the benefits of each and every phase. The same thing is written here also. You can see it that if I talk about economic dimension, then it will definitely boost the rural economy and promote employment, and it will improve the education, health accessibility, and administrative dimension. It will enhance the connectivity and the governance reach to the needy or the last section of the society, and disaster response and service delivery will also become very efficient. And strategic dimension is integrating the remote or uninhabited location also with the proper road, and it will strengthen the last mile connectivity. Now if we talk about the next, then latest addition क्या हुआ है कि जो uninhabited या फिर unreached जो लोकेशन है, untapped लोकेशन है, उस पे भी रोड को बिल्ड करना है, यानी कि एक्सटेंडिंग द डेडलाइन फॉर डिफिकल्ट टेरेन्स एंड ऑल्सो इंक्लूजन ऑफ द पेंडिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स. जो भी अनअवॉर्डेड और पेंडिंग प्रोजेक्ट थे उसको भी अब इसमें क्या किया गया है, इंक्लूड किया गया है. एंड ऑल्सो फोकसिंग ऑन द क्वालिटी अपग्रेडेशन, नॉट जस्ट बिल्डिंग द न्यू रोड्स जो है एग्जिस्टिंग, उनकी भी क्वालिटी को क्या करना है, इंप्रूव करना है. एंड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इन टेंडरिंग एंड एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ द टाइमलाइन. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द लिमिटेशंस ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर स्कीम और योजना, देन द चैलेंजेस आर द terrains are difficult. Himalayan roads are difficult to build. So the first is the terrain difficulty. Second is land acquisition. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो they didn't want to give their land to the government for building of roads. So the land acquisition is a major challenge, one of the major challenges. Now rising input cost, obviously bitumen is expensive and which will affect the progress, and delays due to the weather and the logistic conditions. Okay, and maintenance is one such challenge. Now this yojana is complete. Here is a UPSC prelims related question to you. Kindly answer it and post your answer in the comment section. The question says that consider the following statement: Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana is a centrally sponsored scheme. Is it correct or not? Second is it focuses on all weather rural road connectivity. Third is it is implemented by Niti Aayog. Options are A 1 and 2, B 2 and 3, C 1 and 3, or D all. Kindly post your answer in the comment section. Thank you so much. I'll see you next in the next video.